The discussion here is about the democratic process and the role of the Speaker. Multiple times, my name is being raised while things are being said about me. This House is the expression of the people of India. This House does not represent one party. This House represents the whole country. Every time we get up to speak, we are stopped from speaking. Multiple times. In the last time I spoke, I raised fundamental questions about the compromises that has been made by our Prime Minister. I will start to speak. You be
RahulGandhi ji,
multiple times. Sir, multiple times.
No, you will be allowed to speak. No, you have mentioned you. He is yielding. You are answering. You are.